Hi everybody, I'm Dr. David Reath and I'm here to talk about this week's Truthometer Tuesday question. This was a tough question and not everybody got it right, which is surprising in terms of how many people have been getting the right answers in previous weeks. But we're talking about breast implants, specifically silicone breast implants, and even more specifically highly cohesive or form-stable silicone implants, otherwise known as the Gummy Bear implant. And the question we asked is this: anybody that wants Gummy Bear implants can get them? And the answer is actually false. These implants are only available through three separate trials for the three separate manufacturers of the implants, and a select group of doctors are conducting these trials. I'm not participating in them, and I don't know of anybody in Knoxville that is. So if you were to see one of these doctors who is involved in this FDA trial on their cohesive gel implant or highly cohesive gel implant, you could get them through that doctor, but not everybody can just go into any plastic surgeons and have access to these. Interestingly, these implants are widely available in Europe, but it takes a longer time to get things through the FDA in this country. Now, there's also some confusion about just what is a cohesive gel implant, and all the implants we're using, such as these that I use every day, are cohesive. That is, if you cut it in half, the two parts will stay pretty much together. But these Gummy Bear implants take that cohesion to an even higher level. And we don't know if that's a good implant or a bad implant over the long term, which is why we're conducting these studies. And as soon as we have an answer to that, I'll let you know. But right now, let's find who this week's winner is. Rebecca Boyd. Rebecca, congratulations. You win our prize. You get a $100 gift card. Come on in and pick that up. And we want to give a special shout out to somebody that has been a very faithful player of our Truthometer Tuesday, Brenda Morrow, who spent an hour and a half researching this to try to find the right answer. So thanks everybody for playing. We'll talk to you next week.